Here we go with 5th grade Excel, lesson 19. Change a number sentence from not equal to equal and find the value of an unknown by performing the same operation on both sides of an equation. In these problems, which number can be moved to change the not, this means not equal, to equal. Determine the number that needs to move so that the not equal can change to an equal sign. Circle it and write the new number sentence. So these problems are not too hard, but there's a certain way that you need to show your work on these, so pay attention to how to do that. So first of all, we're going to add up each side. We have 3 plus 6 plus 2. Can you guys add? Oh, I got a studio audience. Say hello, everybody.
Hi.
Yeah, they're there. Okay, so what's 3 plus 6 plus 2?
11.
11. So I'm going to put an 11 right here. What's 6 plus 8 plus 3?
17.
Woo, good job. 17. Okay, so I got to pick, this is the high side. I have to pick one number to move from here over to here so that they come out the same. Now if I move a 6, that's going to be 11, but this is going to be 17 over here, so that's not going to work to move the 6. What number would I move?
3.
3, okay? So I'm going to circle the 3, and I'm going to rewrite the equation so that it's equal. I'm going to write the 3 over on this side now, 3 plus, and then I'm going to copy this whole thing. 3 plus 6 plus 2. Everybody write that on your paper at home. And then equals, and I'm only going to put these two numbers that are left because I already moved the 3 over to this side. Then the last thing I'm going to do is write what each side is now equal to prove that it actually worked. 3 plus 3 is?
6.
Good. 6 plus 6 is? Come on, 6 plus 6. 12. 12 plus 2 is?
14.
14. Okay, 6 plus 8 is? 6 plus 8, come on. 14. 14 equals 14. Came out right by moving the 3. All right, pause the video. Do number 2. Make sure you show your work like this. All this stuff here, all this here. And then turn it back on when you're ready to see the solution. All right, so we're changing, says from an inequality to an equation. Okay. Here we go. This side over here, we're going to write what it's equal to up on the top. 8 plus 2 plus 7. Help me out, studio. 17. 4 plus 4 plus 5.
13.
13. So I got to move something from this side. What number would you like to move?
2.
2. Circle the 2. That number, by the way, goes in your check answer when you do these kinds of problems. So what I'm left with over here is 8 what?
8 plus 7.
Plus 7. Good. Now I'm going to move the 2 over to here. 4 plus 4. Help me out.
Plus 5 plus 2.
Okay, and what's 8 plus 7?
15.
Okay, and what's 4 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2?
15.
15. 15 equals 15. So moving the 2 was the correct answer. And again, that 2 would go in your check answer. When you have an equation, if the same mathematical operation is performed on both sides of the equal symbol, the two sides will remain equal. Let's see what they're talking about here. 6 equals 6 is an equation, right? Will it remain an equation if both sides are multiplied by the same number or if both sides are divided by the same number? So here's my 6, here's my 6. If I multiply both sides times 2, both sides equal what? If I multiply both sides times 2, both sides equal
12.
12. So it remains equal because I multiplied both times the same number. What if I divide both sides by 2? What's both sides going to be now?
3.
3. So if you do the same thing to both sides, it just stays equal. Will it remain an equation if the same number is added or subtracted from both sides? I have a 6 and a 6, and now I'm going to add 5 to both sides. What do both sides equal now? 11. Does it work?
Yes.
Yep. What if I subtract 5 from both sides?
1.
Both sides are 1, and it remains equal. Knowing this, we now have a way to arrive at the value of an unknown in an equation. What will happen if 5 is subtracted from both sides of the equation? If I subtract 5 from this side and 5 from that side. If I subtract 5 from over here, I'm left with what?
10.
X plus 5 minus 5?
No.
I'm only left with the x, right? If I add 5 to x and then I subtract 5 from x, I'm back at the x again. What if I subtract 5 from 13? What do I get?
8.
8, right? So x is equal to 8, and the way I can figure that out is by subtracting this 5 from both sides. All right, we're going to move on. Oh, that's the final one. And I think we have some artists coming up to the board to draw for us. Yes. There they are. Isn't that beautiful? Too bad they didn't work at the same time.
Wait, get it out. 30, 31 plus
32
5.
plus 1.
No!
I 30 said it.
Okay.
Yeah.
I
Plus
gotta pause it.
31.
I don't like food.
No.
I gotta pause.